Passive income sounds like a dream, right? Making money while you sleep? In 2025, it's not just possible, it's achievable. Today, I'll share 3 passive income ideas that actually work and can help you earn consistent cash with minimal effort. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's the thing. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right things up front and reaping the rewards later. These 3 ideas are beginner-friendly, flexible, and scalable. Stick around to the end for my bonus tip on automating your passive income streams. First up, selling digital products online. Imagine creating something once and earning from it over and over again. Digital products like printables, templates, or ebooks are in huge demand. Here's how to start. Pick a platform like Etsy or Gumroad. Create a simple product. It could be a budgeting planner, social media templates, or even an ebook on a topic you know well. List it with SEO-friendly descriptions to reach your audience. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva to design your products. And the best part? There are no shipping costs or inventory hassles. One budgeting template can sell hundreds of times and make you $500 or more a month. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income because you don't need to create your own product. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make it easy to get started. The key is to choose products that resonate with your audience. For example, if you run a blog about fitness, promote workout gear or supplements. Pro tip: focus on evergreen content, topics that stay relevant over time. This way, your affiliate links can keep generating income for months or even years. Finally, we have creating a YouTube channel with monetized content. You might be thinking, but I don't want to be on camera. No problem. Channels that focus on animations, stock footage, or tutorials can still bring in significant ad revenue. For example, you could create videos about productivity tips, travel guides, or tech reviews using AI tools like Pictory or Canva. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads to start earning. Pro tip: pair your YouTube videos with affiliate links in the description to double your income potential. And here's the bonus tip I promised. Automation is the key to scaling passive income. Use scheduling tools for social media posts, hire freelancers for repetitive tasks, and reinvest your earnings to grow your business. With the right systems in place, your passive income streams can truly become hands-off over time. So, which passive income idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's turn your free time into profit. See you in the next video.